Yeah, so I started out, I think I made like $10. That was like the very first month. And then I stopped making money for like 2 months, and then all of a sudden it jumped up to like $50. And then it kind of dropped down again to 25. And then the next month it was up to like 150. And then the next month it jumped up to like 300. And I was like, oh my God, like this is working.
All
And ever
right.
since then it's approaching 400 now. And I'm just really happy with the site path I'm going on.
Fantastic. And congratulations. A lot of people, fail to even launch a site, and a lot of people, really don't make much money. They just get frustrated and quit. Now, you mentioned you had a site going and you tried to take a couple other courses,
Mhm.
basically a few false starts. So,
Yeah.
how do you feel now that you're like, hey, I'm making it work and it's growing? Like personally and emotionally, like how do you feel about it?
It's good. I mean, it's nice that you find something that works, you stick with it for long enough, and you don't give up. That you can make it happen.
Awesome. And like to your family, does this mean anything huge? Obviously, growing family, and you're moving and all that stuff. Anything specific where you're like, oh, it's really great to have this extra revenue coming in?
Oh yeah, I rub it in my wife's face all the time. Yeah, she's happy that we have a little bit of extra money for groceries or whatever, and as a 3 years down the line, I'm hoping it replaces the income totally, and I can spend more time with family, and be able to take them on trips, and just create memories. That's the most important thing. So that's what this is all about for me.
Awesome, very good. And if if you're well, I don't want to assume how your family dynamic is or anything like that, but you've been working on this for a while, so
Mhm.
it probably felt amazing to be able to show your wife, hey, like we are making money. I knew it could work, and
Hmm.
yeah. So anything around that?
Oh yeah, I mean, when I have like my big days where I've made a lot of money, I'm showing her screenshots like, look what I sold today. Like, look how much money I've made. And she's just like, oh, that's awesome. You're doing such a good job. Like, keep going. And so that does, it helps out a lot. Keeps me focused on adding more content and researching more keywords, or whatever I'm doing for that day.